Hi guys, it's Dr. Joe Colopy here, and as the owner of Colopy Chiropractic, it's really my pleasure to welcome you to our practice. And it's my deepest desire for you to reach your fullest expression of health. So my intention is not to focus on your problems. It's to not fix what's wrong with you, but rather focus on what is right with you. So there's a health potential that already exists inside of you. By seeking chiropractic care, you're embarking on a journey to release the inner potential of health and well-being that was literally given to you at conception. So, listen to this quote. Medicine is the study of disease and what causes man to die. Chiropractic is the study of health and what causes man to live. So this was a quote by B.J. Palmer, who is the developer of chiropractic. Chiropractic has a vitalistic foundation. So that tells us that you are more than just skin, muscle, blood, bones. At conception, one cell, a single cell, is sparked to life, and it begins to divide, and it divides and divides and divides, and it becomes over 40 trillion cells. And then we have an entire human being that's created in just 9 months. So that inner light and life-sustaining potential, it didn't abandon you at birth. It remains in you, and it's the very essence of life. I mean, wow. In the book of Genesis, in chapter 2, verse 7, it states, "And I, the Lord your God, formed man of dust of the ground and breathed in his nostrils the breath of life, and man became a living soul." So how amazing and wonderful is every single breath. So your visits in this office, they're not geared towards treating disease or what's wrong with you, but rather it's about aligning your spine to remove interference. This allows the fullest expression of that inner light and healing that's always at work inside of you. So this is truly my joy, because during the course of your treatment, you're going to receive chiropractic adjustments that reduce spinal subluxations. The Latin root of the prefix sub means less. The Latin root of lux means light, and ation means a condition of. So subluxation is literally a condition of less light. Your body, your health, that inner light of life is dimmed. Chiropractic's adjustments are unique to our profession, and it's intended to release that inborn intelligence inside your body that's designed to heal you from the inside out. In other words, let's let your light shine. This translates into better health and vitality, greater ability to adapt and heal and grow and evolve as a human being. So, because life is full of numerous causes of subluxation, including physical stress from bumps and bruises, emotional stress from work and relationships, and you got chemical stress from poor diet and environmental toxins, it's our philosophy in this office that your body needs continual TLC. You need to keep up with the body, or upkeep for the body, throughout all of life. Being proactive and honoring and respecting and caring for our spirit and body throughout life, whether sick or well, is true well-being care. So regular chiropractic care, along with good diet, exercise, stress management, are all essential to a full and joyful life. I'm honored to support you on this journey, and thank you so much and welcome.